Hello, my name is Jani Puttonen. I'm a Director of Simulation Services at Magister Solutions. I'm here to present our paper, a system simulator for 5G non-terrestrial network evaluations, to be published in workshop on non-terrestrial networks in 6G wireless. Briefly about the article content. First we'll summarize the 3GPP non-terrestrial networks, basically holding information about the 3GPP work item, solutions for NR to support non-terrestrial networks, targeted to be released in Release 17. The work item targets both spaceborne, so LEO and GEO scenarios, as well as airborne scenarios. We will present our system simulator for terrestrial and non-terrestrial network evaluations. It shall hold information about the simulator architecture, as well as the main features, for example, the evaluation scenarios, channel models, antenna models, and different radio resource management enhancements. Finally, we will present our simulation verification results, primarily targeting at 3GPP TR38821 calibration cases. Then we will show briefly a couple of simulation results using our Magister SimLab simulation service. Here we show some simulation results using our Magister SimLab simulation service, comparing the calibration cases 14 and 15. We can observe that full frequency reuse provides better peak throughput but with the expense of cell edge performance, while frequency reuse 3 improves the SCNR and thus also the cell edge performance. Thank you for your interest.